We are going to start with the first chapter, integers. First exercise of integers, exercise 1.1. The first question of the NCERT book of exercise first is, following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. This is the temperature of the place Lahul Spiti. This is the temperature of the place Srinagar. This is the temperature of the place Shimla. This is the temperature of the place Uti. This is the temperature of the place. This is the temperature of the place Bangalore. Now, the first question, which is based on this number line or the temperature line, is, or we can say the first part of the question is, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So what we have to do, by observing this number line, we have to just tell the temperature of the different places. Now if we carefully see this number line, here you can see this point represents 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and the fifth division represent 5 degrees centigrade. That means we can say that each division is representing 1 degree centigrade. Now we can easily see that Shimla has the temperature of 5 degrees centigrade since it is at the 5 unit from 0. So we can say that Shimla has the temperature of 5 degree centigrade. Next we can see that from here 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and on the 14th division we have Ooty. So we can say that Ooty has the temperature of 14 degree centigrade since it is at the 14th division from 0. Now we can see here from here this 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. On the 22nd division we have Bangalore. So the temperature of Bangalore will be 22 degree centigrade. Now we come to the negative side of this number line. From here -1, -2, -3, -4 and this is -5. So if we have to see the temperature of Srinagar, we have to count the division. So first division, second division. This means the temperature at Srinagar is -2 degree centigrade. Now if we come to Lahul Spiti, We can see from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. On the 8th division of the number line, that is on the left hand side of the number line, we have Lahul Spiti. That means the temperature at Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degree centigrade. Now the second part of the question, that is the B part. In B part, the question is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place, hottest and the coldest places among the above. That is, we have to find the difference between the temperature which is at the hottest place and which is at the coldest. Now if we see the number line, we can see that Bangalore is the hottest place, since it is on the rightmost side of the number line, and Lahul Spiti is the coldest place since it is on the leftmost side of the number line. So the temperature of Bangalore is 22 degree centigrade and temperature at Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degree centigrade. Now what is the temperature difference between them? So the temperature difference, first we will write the hottest place, that is Bangalore, and its temperature is 22 degree centigrade. The coldest place, that is Lahul Spiti, its temperature is minus 8 degree centigrade. So the difference between is equals to 22 degree centigrade minus 8 degree centigrade. That comes out to be 22 degree centigrade minus becomes plus 8 degree centigrade, which is equals to 30 degree centigrade. So the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place is 30 degree centigrade. The third part, that is the C part, this question is asked, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Now we know that the temperature at Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degree centigrade and at Srinagar it is minus 2 degree centigrade. So the temperature difference between them will be, first let us write the temperature of Lahul Spiti, that is minus 8 degrees centigrade. Temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade. So the temperature difference will be equals to minus 2 degrees centigrade minus 8 degree centigrade. Since minus 2 is a greater number than minus 8, so to find the difference, we will subtract the smaller number from the greater number, that is minus 2 degree centigrade minus 8 degree centigrade. So it will be equals to minus 2 degree centigrade, minus and minus will become plus 8 degrees centigrade, and plus 8 minus 2 will be equals to 6 degree centigrade. So the temperature difference between the two places is 6 degrees centigrade. You can also see this on the number line that we have to cross 6 division from Srinagar to get to the Lahore Spiti. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the temperature difference between them is 6 degrees centigrade. D part of the question, can we say temperature of Srinagar, can we say that the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Now first understand the question. Can we say that the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, that is if we add the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together, means we have to add it, is less than the temperature of Shimla. So let us first calculate the sum of the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. Temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees centigrade and temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees centigrade. Now the sum, or if we take the two temperatures together, it will be -2 degrees centigrade plus 5 degrees centigrade, which comes out to be 3 degrees centigrade. Now it is asked in the question, is the temperature together is less than the temperature at Shimla. Now what is the temperature at Shimla? The temperature at Shimla is 5 degrees centigrade. So yes, we can say that the temperature at Shimla is 5 degrees centigrade, which is greater, or we can say that the sum of the temperature together is less, that is 3, which is less than 5, is the less than the temperature at Shimla, which is less than, we can say, which is less than 5 degrees centigrade, which is the temperature at Shimla. So the first answer will be yes. The temperature together is less than the temperature at Shimla. In the second part, it is asked that is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? The temperature at Srinagar is -2 degrees centigrade, but -2 is less than 3. So the second answer to this question will be no. No, the temperature together is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. Now the second question of the NCERT book is, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds are 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? That whenever it is given a correct answer, he will have a positive marks, and whenever he has given an incorrect answer, he will have a negative mark. Now Jack's score was 25, minus 5, 10 and 15 and 10 in his 5 rounds. Now we have to find out what was his final score at the end of all the rounds. So to find his final score, what we have to do, we have to add all the marks which he has scored in the different rounds. We have to find the total marks of Jack. So what we have to do, we have to just add all the marks. In the first round, he scored plus 25 marks. In the second round, he scored minus 5 marks. In the third round, he scored minus 10 marks. In the fourth round, he scored 15 marks. And in the fifth round, he scored 10 marks. Now to add this, we will first add the positive numbers, that is 25, 15 and 10. And in the second part, we will add the negative numbers, that is minus 5 and minus 10. So first we will add plus 25 plus 15 plus 10, and then we will add minus 5 and minus 10. So here the total will be 25 plus 15, it will be 40, plus 10, so it will be 50. Plus here it will be minus 5 plus minus 10, it will be minus 15. So 50 minus 15 will be 35. So his final score will be 35. That is of plus 35, since the positive integer here 50 is greater than the negative integer, that is 15. But since they are of opposite sign, 15 is of minus sign and 50 is of first plus sign. So we have to do the subtraction. And after subtracting 15 from 50, we will give the sign of the integer which is greater. And the greater integer is here 50. So we will give plus 35 marks to Jack. Next question, that is question number 3, is at Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees centigrade on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees centigrade. What was the temperature on this day? Now first let us understand the question. At Srinagar, the temperature was minus 5 degrees centigrade on Monday. Then it dropped, that is it decreased by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. That is it reduced further by 2 degrees centigrade. And it is asked what was the temperature on Tuesday. So for the first part, you can simply say temperature on Tuesday will be equals to minus 5 degrees centigrade minus, since there is a drop of 2 degrees centigrade, so we will minus 2 degrees centigrade. So the final temperature will be minus 5 minus 2, that will be minus 7 degree centigrade. So the temperature on Tuesday will be minus 7 degree centigrade. In the second part, it is said that on Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees centigrade. Rose means it increased by. 4 degree centigrade. So we can say the temperature on Wednesday will be -7 degree centigrade temperature, which was on Tuesday. Plus, since there is a rise in the temperature, that is rise in the temperature of 4 degree centigrade, so it will be -7 plus 4 will be -3 degree centigrade. So the final temperature on Wednesday is -3 degree centigrade. Now for the next question we will continue on the next term.